Attach easy updo by making a ponytail with your hair. The extension should hang out of the way while you twist the elastic around your ponytail. If the extensions get tangled into the hair during this step, gently pull to release them. Once your hair is in a pony and the extensions are hanging down your back, separate the hair into 2 sections, placing an extension in each section. Twist one section over the other with the same firm pressure. Each extension should be about the same length when you reach the end of your twisted pony. If one is significantly shorter, go ahead and start over. Follow the direction of the twisted fibers in the extension for the most natural look. If the extensions look like a twisted lollipop, start over and twist in the opposite direction. Hold the end with your fingers. Wrap the twisted pony around the base and tie it in a knot by guiding the end you are holding through the loop. Support the style closely to your head by using the other hand. Twist the ends together and tuck them under your updo, keeping your thumb on the ends so you are able to secure them first. Next, use the enclosed bobby pins and hairpins to secure the rest of your updo. Secure the hair closest to your head with a small portion of the twisted ponytail next to your head. If your layers aren't wrapped into the updo, feel free to pin them too. Notice the bun sits on the head and doesn't stick out. Supporting the bun close to your head with your other hand is an important part of styling. Save an hour with easy updo. Add style, volume, and the illusion of length when your hair would normally need the hour-long wash-dry style routine. Be patient. It usually takes 2 to 3 times to create beautiful style using easy updo extensions.